All right, let's wake it up, kids. Today we're going to do a quick review on this Bahco Laplander folding saw. I bought this for my bug out bag a while back, and there's been a lot of reviews on this. All I want to do is just go through some specifics of what I did with it. A storm laid down a tree in my backyard a while back, and I needed to process it yesterday. So I took this out there to do some sawing. And I want to do a quick review. The pros on this saw are that it is light. It's a decent lightweight, and so it'll make it good for my bug out bag. And I like the lock on it. It has a good lock on it. Teeth are very sharp and they cut real well. Let's run through some performance. So I wrote the number 12. So it took 12 strokes to get through this end of this limb, which is about right around an inch, over an inch, maybe an inch and a half with the bark. I counted the stroke as up and back once. So 1, 2, 3, like that. All right, did I do the other end on this one? Yeah, 18 on that end. For this bigger piece, I got this little end. That was 13 strokes. 29 strokes on this. That looks to be a little over 2 inches. And on the thicker end of that limb was 133 strokes. Again, this thing is very sharp and it moves quickly through the wood. I liked it for that. The cons are it feels a little bit flimsy. I feel like I need to be careful with this. I feel like I need to be careful with this saw and not beat on it too much. I would rather have something a little bit, make it a little bit heavier, and then be able to beat on it more. So the locking is good. The lock's closed and open, which is nice. Comes with a little leather lanyard, and overall I'm happy, decently happy with it. But I'm not going to quit looking. As a teacher, I like to give letter grades, so I would give this C+, B-. I haven't compared it to anything else either, except for my bow saw in the yard, which I would love to have that one. I could cut anything with that thing, except it's just not really. It's not convenient to be carrying in a bug out bag. So this is what I'll keep for camping and bug out for right now. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments of something that you think is better than this, for you guys that are experienced with these folding saws. So anyway, have a good time. Stay curious and get outside and do something. Y'all people are usually happier when they're men, especially, are usually happier when they're outside doing something in the yard. All right, see you.